Okay, so we got a broken screen on this computer. We're going to remove all those. And it came with this tool. And this is what the new one looks like. Let's see how long it takes. First step, I pulled off all the bottom screws, and let's see if the bottom comes off. Okay, you have to pull on this a bit. I thought
It should just lift up, huh?
it looks like we're gonna have to take out these three, all these across the middle, and those three. So if we look on here, we see those three. We gotta pull off everything over here and everything in the middle. First thing I did was took out these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's see if that comes off. No, we gotta keep going. Take off some more stuff. I looked on here and it has this off, so that's the one thing to get that off. So I pulled that cover off. We're gonna pop this off like that. No, it doesn't look like, it looks like we got to pull this one and this one off, and that should loosen that whole thing. Okay, I removed this little cap right here that held this little wire on, and then I pulled this thing and it snapped up. And then this thing comes out from the inside of that, and that looks like I just have to take off these 6 things now. So this is a little bit of a pain to get off, but if you look at how it's made, it sort of just hooks right into there. I'm gonna show you when I put it back together. So I twisted these all the way back, and then I put this on like this, and you gotta have it all the way on an angle, and then it slides underneath, and now you can hook it back up. So I'm gonna put these 6 screws back on, and we're gonna put it back together. So I close this up and I push down both of these so that they line up, and now I'm gonna put the screws in. Next, you gotta push this thing back into place. So I pushed that underneath here. I don't know how to hook these up yet. I have to look at that a little closer. I pushed this one together while it was up because it seemed like it would be easiest. So that little one went back together. We gotta do these 2 screws, the black ones, and then put these 4 in, get this on. Let's do that. So these little guys were a pain to get back on. You really just gotta feel it and then zoom in with your little thing so you can see what you're doing and get it to pop on. When you're putting on this bottom plate again, there's 4 long ones. They go across the back, and the rest are the little short ones. Here is the moment we've all been waiting for. Look at that, it works. So that was pretty easy. It worked. And we're just doing an update. Now I guess we throw that away.